Hi, I'm Dwayne Saunders. Thanks for choosing the Saunders Cervical Hometrac Deluxe. Please take the time to view this video and read the user's guide. It will help you get maximum benefit from the Cervical Hometrac. This video will supplement any information you may receive from your healthcare provider or medical equipment dealer.
To assemble the Cervical Hometrac Deluxe, squeeze the uprights of the extension loop together with a slight bend pointing down. Slide the hook ends into the open channel until you feel them lock in place. Place the Cervical Hometrac on a carpeted floor or other firm surface. Be sure to select a place where there is ample room for you to lie down in a comfortable position. If your healthcare provider has instructed you to use a 20 or 25 degree angle for traction, apply the adjustable extension foot. For a 25 degree angle, insert screws into the upper holes. For a 20 degree angle, insert screws in the lower holes. Check to make sure the air hose is not being compressed by the extension loop. Make sure that the neck carriage is in its starting position by rotating the hand pump gauge to the release position. This allows the neck wedge assembly to slide down the track as far as it will go. Loosen the adjustable head strap and separate the neck wedges by rotating either of the black adjustment knobs until they are far apart. Position the shoulder pad over the extension loop. Place the pump nearby so it is easily accessible during treatment. Lie down on your back, positioning your body so that the neck wedges cradle your neck and your head rests comfortably on the head pad. The neck wedges should contact your neck midway between the tips of your earlobes and the tops of your shoulders. Turn either of the black adjustment knobs until you feel the neck wedges move firmly against the sides of your neck. Secure the head strap over your forehead by using the hook and loop adjustment. This strap should be comfortably snug but not tight. Scoot down toward your feet until you feel the neck wedges positioned firmly against the back of your head. The neck wedges are secure and in proper position when there is a solid contact at the base of your head. Note the time or set a timer for the length of treatment. Now you are ready for treatment. Rotate the gauge to the pump position. While observing the gauge, begin slowly pumping air into the cylinder. The Cervical Hometrac Deluxe features unique, self-adjusting neck wedges that grasp and contour to the back of your head and neck. You may feel the neck wedges rotate as you apply more force. Stay within the treatment guidelines given by your healthcare provider. After you have applied some traction, rotate the gauge to the hold position. Relax a few moments by taking several deep breaths before you continue pumping. Continue by rotating the gauge to the pump position and pump slowly until you have reached the desired amount of traction. Rotate the gauge to the hold position. Remember to relax. Let the Cervical Hometrac do the work. Do not exceed the amount of traction prescribed by your healthcare provider. The traction should never cause pain. The Cervical Hometrac Deluxe features a very accurate, sensitive gauge. The pump is specifically designed not to leak in the hold position. If you notice a drop in the gauge reading when in the hold position, it is probably because you've relaxed or moved slightly. If this happens, return to the pump position and pump back to the desired force, then reset to hold. The Cervical Hometrac Deluxe has been designed not to exceed 50 pounds of traction. This is accomplished through the use of a pressure relief valve located on the air cylinder. If you happen to exceed the poundage prescribed by your healthcare provider, let some air out of the system by rotating the gauge to the release position. Begin again by rotating the gauge to the pump position and pump slowly until you've reached the desired amount of traction. At this point, rotate the gauge to the hold position. Your healthcare provider may instruct you to release the traction for a few seconds, then reapply it during the course of your treatment. In this case, simply repeat the pump, hold, and release steps intermittently as you have been instructed. When your treatment is complete, rotate the gauge to the release position. Wait until all of the air has been released from the system. Loosen the head strap and turn either of the black adjustment knobs to separate the neck wedges. Rest and relax a few moments before getting out of your Cervical Hometrac Deluxe. To disassemble the Cervical Hometrac Deluxe, squeeze the uprights of the extension loop together while pulling it out of the open channel.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions concerning the Saunders Cervical Hometrac Deluxe, please refer to the user's guide or consult your healthcare practitioner or medical equipment dealer.